Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Love and affection we are getting from our viewers on each and every videos. Even though our viewers are actively participating in our all GD videos, many questions, answers, suggestion, feedback we are getting from our viewers. Guys, one thing I want to mention, that is we guys are also a learner. Even if you think that we have done a mistake, then write that mistake in also in a comment section so that we can improve. Okay, so we have two orators between us. One side Dakshita ma'am is here, another side Akshita ma'am is here. So both Dakshita and Akshita will share their points, exchange their questions, and they will try to answer. Even if you have any question regarding to their stuff, then you may ask in comment section also. So today the topic is teamwork versus individual work. Both perspective have equal and we can say that very energetic points we have. So who is going to initiate?
First time.
Yo, okay. So directly coming from this side.
Okay. So I'm favoring teamwork, and my first and foremost point is when you work in a team, so you can distribute your task between your teammates, which helps you to accomplish your task in a very short period of time.
Okay.
And my second point is when you work in a team, you can develop motivational skills, communication skills, knowledge, and you can also create new ideas. Compromisation skills you can also develop in that. So this is all about from my side, and if you have any query, you can ask.
Yeah.
I have a question. What's about self-discipline?
As I already mentioned, when you work in a team, you can develop leadership qualities, which helps you to develop self-confidence also and self-discipline also.
Okay, so nice points mentioned by you, ma'am. The first point is for leadership qualities and distribution work among the team. So somewhere teamwork has much more benefited to each and everyone. They will develop the leadership quality and many more things. Yes, ma'am. So you have individual work. So you believe that individual work is better than teamwork. Please initiate your point.
I favor individual work. My first point says that if we will working individually, so then we can how to motivate ourselves.
Okay.
My second point is that skill. Our skill will be financed because there will be no one to rely on, and we can learn everything. That's on my point. If you have any query, ask please.
Yes, of course, I have a question. My first question is, as I mentioned about leadership qualities, so what do you think about that?
Leadership quality doesn't mean that you can impose your work on other. You can, if you are working individually, even though you get to know how to become self-dependent.
Okay. And what do you think about social interactions?
Ma'am, working individually is not mean you are working alone. You will working on your project. So I think social interaction and individual are different. Individual work are different.
Okay, nice points came out from both the side.
Right.
Yeah, somewhere we need a teamwork. Okay, if you are doing the construction work,
Yeah.
then you can't do the construction work. You can't build the one house by alone. So somewhere teamwork is need. But if you want to present yourself, if you want to deliver the speech on any topic, your presentation, anything, so somewhere you need individual tasks also there. So both the points have equal we can say priorities. Okay, but if I conclude this topic, yeah, teamwork is always good because you are creating the leaders of future India. You are distributing work, but if you are working individually, you are becoming self-independent.
Yes.
Self-motivation generated by you. So both the points are good. You spoke very amazingly, guys. Productive points came from both your stuff. I request to our viewers that if you have any question from Dakshita ji to Akshita ji, ask from them, they will try to answer you. Keep learning, guys, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.